Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this may here look like multiple days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to rub salt in anyone's wounds or state the obvious, but just a massive downtrend on this one. Bears have been in total control, and that's kind of what I want to talk about, because I've had questions on this one over the past couple of weeks, and it's kind of a situation where it's hard to do these analysis videos on these ones because all it keeps doing is going down and down and down. So what I want to do is just kind of point out a couple things that I would watch that would start to kind of change my attitude towards the chart. And the main attitude right now is hey Clay, what would make you say that, hey, the bulls are actually showing some legitimate signs of strength? Because here, yeah, the bulls showed miniature signs of strength back down. Here, yeah, the bulls showed some signs of strength but back down. But some legitimate signs of strength. How are you going to define legitimate? And to me, it all revolves around the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So just to offer a little bit more context, you can see that ever since the price fell down below it, and this has been weeks and weeks ago, the price has never gotten up above it. Right here, it did get above it, but that was very short-lived, and then the price fell back below it. And then you can see right here, basically directly off it, and then for sure right there, directly off it. So the point here being is the price has to get a true break of the purple line for me to start to feel any sort of bullishness with the chart. True break has two parts. The first part is, well, the obvious one. You got to break above a certain level, which did happen right here. However, the second part did not happen. And the second part is after the break, the price has to then be able to maintain above the level. And the whole maintaining thing didn't, last as the price fell back below it, and it went right back to acting as resistance. So true break above that purple line. Until that happens, there really shouldn't be any talk about bullishness or stuff like that. I fully realize that, tomorrow the price could technically go up and up and up and up and up. And yeah, short term, that would be bullish. But as far as the overall chart's concerned, until it can get a true break as I've defined it above that purple line, then I would be very hesitant in terms of using any words such as bullishness or strength or, hey, the bulls are back or anything like that. So that's my opinion on it. How do you measure the kind of the drift of it? Just keep an eye on that 50-period simple moving average and see if the bulls can get a true break up above it. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.